In this video, I'll show you how to install Scriptbook RDR2 for Red Dead Redemption 2. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so Scriptbook RDR2 is one of the most important tools for modding Red Dead Redemption 2. It allows the game to load ASI plugins, which means many popular mods, including trainers and gameplay mods, won't work without it. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Scriptbook and install it on your game. Before we get started, keep in mind that Scriptbook RDR2 is designed for story mode only, so never try to play Red Dead Online with it installed. Alright, to start, let's download Scriptbook RDR2. You can go to the official website over here. Just type in Scriptbook RDR2 on Google and this website will appear at the top, so devc.com. Or you can just click the link in the description and it'll bring you here. Now once you're here, you want to click download. It'll prompt download, save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So now just hit save and the download will start right away. After you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder and now you'll have Scriptbook RDR2 in a zip file. So to start installing, you also need to locate your Red Dead Redemption 2 main directory. If you don't know where, you can go to these paths on the screen, which is the default location of the game. So if you installed it on the default location, you'll find it there. But just in case you couldn't find it, you can locate it through your launcher. On Epic Games, you want to go to Library and then look for your Red Dead Redemption 2. Click the three dots on the right and then go to Manage. And here, click the folder icon to open the install location. On Steam, you also want to go to Library and then look for RDR2 from the list. Right click on it, Manage, and select Browse Local Files. If you have the game on Rockstar Games Launcher, you can go to Settings, under My Installed Games, select RDR2, scroll down, and you'll have option to View Installation Folder. Just hit Open, and it'll open up the main directory. Alright, so now we're ready to install it. It's in a zip file, so to open it, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip. But if you're on Windows 11, you can just right click on it, select Extract All, and then hit Extract, and you'll have it in a folder. So let's open it up, and you want to go to the bin folder. Here, what you need is Scriptbook RDR2 and the input 8. If you want, you can also include a native trainer. For this video, also include it to check if Scriptbook is working properly. So we're going to select all of them, and then you're going to put it into your Red Dead Redemption main directory. You can drag and drop it, just like that. And Scriptbook RDR2 is installed on your Red Dead Redemption, including the native trainer. So now let's launch the game and see if it works. Alright, we're inside the game, and let's see if the Scriptbook RDR2 is working. If you installed nativetrainer.asi, you can press F5 on your keyboard, and you'll see the menu on the left of your screen. So let's test if we can change the time, and looks like it's working well. So now you're ready to install another ASI mods that requires Scriptbook RDR2. So if you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.